What if I told you that the most valuable piece of paper in the tech industry isn't a 4-year degree from a prestigious university? In the next 10 minutes, I am going to show you the exact step-by-step roadmap to becoming a high-paid software engineer without spending a single dime on tuition. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It is a battle-tested strategy used by thousands of self-taught developers who now work at Google, Meta, and Netflix. If you feel stuck in a dead-end job or think you missed the boat because you didn't study CS, this video is for you. We are breaking down the wall between you and a 6-figure career, starting right now.
The industry has shifted. Companies like Apple and Tesla have publicly stated they no longer require degrees. Why? Because in software engineering, the only thing that matters is, can you build it? A degree proves you can follow instructions for 4 years. A portfolio proves you can solve real-world problems today. We are going to focus on building that proof. But first, you need to understand that you cannot learn everything. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying to learn every language at once. You need a niche. Step 1. Picking your specialization. Don't fall into the trap of tutorial hell by jumping from Python to Java to C++. If you want the fastest route to a job, I recommend web development, specifically the front-end or full-stack path. Why? Because every business on Earth needs a website. Start with the Holy Trinity: HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript. JavaScript is the king of the web. Master it and you become indispensable. Spend your first month focusing exclusively on these 3. Do not move on until you can build a basic layout from scratch without looking at a tutorial. You don't need to pay for a $15,000 bootcamp. The best resources in the world are free. Websites like Free Code Camp and the Odin Project offer structured curricula that are often better than college courses. Use YouTube channels like Traversy Media or Fireship for quick overviews, but use documentation like MDN WebDocs for deep learning. Your goal in this phase is to move from "I understand this" to "I can build this." This is where most people quit because it gets hard. Stay consistent. Code for at least 2 hours every single day. Step 2 is building your big 3. Your portfolio doesn't need 20 tiny projects. It needs 3 massive, impressive ones. Project 1, a complex landing page with perfect responsiveness. Project 2, a functional web app that uses an API. Think a weather app or a movie database. Project 3, a full-stack application with a database, like a simplified version of Twitter or an e-commerce store. These projects show employers you understand the entire lifecycle of software. Don't just copy code from a video. Change the features, add your own design, and break things until you understand how to fix them. While you're building, you must learn Git and GitHub. This is non-negotiable. GitHub is your new resume. Every time you write code, push it to a repository. Employers want to see your green squares, the contribution graph that proves you've been working consistently over months, not weeks. Learn how to branch, merge, and handle pull requests. If an employer looks at your GitHub and sees a consistent history of commits, you've already beaten 90. Step 3. Networking. Sending 500 applications on Indeed is a waste of time. Instead, optimize your LinkedIn profile. Use a professional headshot. A simple photo against a plain wall works. Set your headline to the job you want, not the job you have. Start connecting with recruiters and engineering managers at companies you actually like. Don't ask for a job immediately. Instead, share what you're learning. Post a screenshot of a bug you solved or a project you finished. This builds proof of work in public, making you a magnet for opportunities. Now the scary part, the technical interview. You need to practice data structures and algorithms. Use platforms like LeetCode or HackerRank. You don't need to solve the hardest problems, but you should be comfortable with arrays, strings, and basic search algorithms. More importantly, practice the whiteboard talk. Explain your thought process out loud. Companies don't just hire the smartest coder, they hire the best communicator. If you can explain why you chose a specific loop over another, you've won half the battle. When you finally get that first interview, remember, you are interviewing them too. Show passion. Talk about the projects you built and the struggles you overcame. When they ask about your lack of a degree, pivot to your portfolio. Say, I chose to spend 4 years building real-world applications and contributing to open source instead of sitting in a classroom. That confidence is what gets you hired. Once you land that first role, even if the salary is lower than you hoped, take it. Experience is the ultimate currency. In 2 years, your salary will double. The path to becoming a software engineer without a degree is hard, lonely, and frustrating, but it is also the most rewarding thing you will ever do. You are not just learning to code, you are learning to build the future. Stop waiting for a permission slip from a university. The tools are free, the documentation is open, and the industry is waiting for you. Start your first line of code today. If you found this roadmap helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the tech world. Your career starts now.